everyone, this video will explain how to practice Module 1. We're starting program number 2. When I teach intermediate class, my class consists of 3 main parts. The first part is warm-up. The second part is skills and technique development. In this part, we discuss different belly dancing topics. And the most important topic is always technique development. We also work on rhythms, on learning about rhythms. We work on learning more about belly dancing styles. And that can be done in any form. It can be combination, it can be choreography. Then the third part of the class for intermediate students is the main choreography part. In that part, we'll learn a choreography. We'll put together small parts into a full dance. So for this program, we will be learning Oriental tango choreography. Now, how long this program will be? This program will be as long as needed to complete the main choreography, which is Tango Oriental. I am planning about 8 modules, but most likely it might need a little more, 9 or 10. So we'll see how it goes. This program will consist not of parts, not of lessons, but this program will consist of modules, and each module will have several lessons. So we're starting module number 1. When you start module number 1, I want you always to start with a warm-up. So for warm-up, you have 2 options here on my channel. The first option is work from home workout, this one, stretch, tone, and energize. This workout is more stretching and toning warm-up. A very good one, by the way. I like this warm-up myself. And you have another option, not to get bored. With the same warm-up, you have another option to do cardio warm-up here. This one is also a good warm-up. This is more a choreography warm-up. Okay, so as soon as you're done with your warm-up, you can proceed to practicing, and that's going to be your skills part of the practice of the module. So you will start with the first lesson for this module, and that's Rhythm Vahda Combination Tutorial, Module 1, Lesson 1, Skills. In this lesson, you will learn about Rhythm Vahda. Some of you learned briefly about Rhythm Vahda before, so this will be a little more detailed explanation of the rhythm, and we will learn a combination. You will learn this combination. Your first homework for this module will be to learn the combination and to dance it to Rhythm Vahda. Second, after you complete this lesson, I want you to proceed to lesson number 2, which is called Tarab. This lesson will give you a brief lecture on what's Tarab, and then you will practice the same combination that you learned to Rhythm Vahda to Tarab music. It will be a very short, little over 30 seconds choreography. So your homework will be to learn this choreography, to record your video and send it to me. Lesson number 3 for this part of module 1 is going to be this one, the one that says practice accents and the Vahda combination to tango music, module 1, lesson 3. So here you will practice accents that you learned in Vahda rhythm combination to a different music, which is in this case Tango Oriental music. Your homework for this lesson will be to dance the accents that are shown here in this video to this specific music, and to record yourself and to send your homework to me. And the last part for module 1, lesson number 4, is Tango Oriental choreography, part number 1. Module 1, lesson 4. Here you go, here it is. So this is the first part of our main choreography, and your homework will be to learn the choreography and to the first part of the choreography, to record your video and to send it to me. There is something I wanted to mention to you. The information that's provided for module 1 here on the channel is a little more than we would do in class. So you will need more than probably 1 week to practice all this. Well, of course, it depends on how much time you allocate for practicing, but I would present this information in longer than just one class. It probably would be 2 weeks. Okay, so let's say if it's a Sunday class, it will be 2 Sundays to cover all this information. So you keep that in mind. Because of the format of video lessons, I'm able to provide more information than we normally do in class, because in class we also need time to practice, and then you will have to show what we learned, so we need time for that. So here we are skipping that part. That's why I have more time to explain and provide more information within one module. So please enjoy practicing, and let me know if you have any questions. I will send you the music for your practice. Thank you. Bye-bye.